Did you know that the average homeowner spends between $1,000 to $4,000 on roof repair? That's an astonishing amount, especially considering that many of these costs could be avoided with regular professional roof inspections. Imagine you're a homeowner in Richmond, Virginia. The weather here is a mixed bag. Summers can bring heavy rains, while winters may occasionally bless us with snow. Your roof, in this scenario, is more than just a part of your home. It's your first line of defense. But how well is this defense holding up? Many homeowners dive into the world of do-it-yourself roof inspections. Armed with a ladder and a sense of determination, they climb up to check for obvious signs of damage. While this initiative is commendable, it often falls short. Why? Because not all roof damage is immediately visible to the untrained eye. Small leaks, wear and tear, and improper materials can all fly under the radar, only to cause major issues later on. Contrast this with a professional roof inspection. A skilled contractor doesn't just look for damage, they anticipate it. They understand how Richmond's unique climate can impact your roof, and they know exactly what materials and methods will ensure long-lasting repairs. A professional inspection isn't just about identifying problems, it's about preventing them. To summarize, maintaining your roof isn't just about patching up visible issues. It's about understanding the unique challenges your roof faces and addressing them proactively. It's about recognizing that a small issue can quickly become a big problem if not properly addressed. And most importantly, it's about entrusting your roof to professionals who have the expertise to ensure it can stand up to anything the weather throws at it. So, if you're in Richmond and think your roof could benefit from a professional eye, don't hesitate. Reach out to a team of qualified professionals who are ready and waiting to ensure your roof and your home are protected. Remember, a stitch in time saves 9, and this couldn't be truer than with your roof. Don't wait for a small issue to become a big problem. Take action today.